The Rich Greedy Man. Once upon a time, a rich man named Ansil lived in a village. He had a poultry farm where he kept 500 hens. Every day he got hundreds of eggs when he supplied to the shops in the city. Near his house, a poor man named Anto was living in a hut. Anto had 2 hens. These hens used to come to the rich man's field. If Ansil happened to see Anto's hens in his field, he would throw stones at the hens and chase them away. One day, Ansil had invited some guests to his house for dinner. He wanted to give them a good meal. He went to the market and bought fresh fish to fry, and he wanted to make chicken biryani. He went to his poultry farm to get a good hen for their meal. On his way, he saw the poor man's hens in his field. He caught one of them and killed it and gave to his wife to make chicken biryani. His wife was a good woman, but she was not aware that the chicken he gave her was the poor man's. The guests came and they enjoyed the meal and went away. On the following day, Anto went searching for his hen. He asked all his neighbors, but all of them said that they had not seen it. He came to Ansil and asked, but he pretended as though he knew nothing about it. Anto was really sad. Ansil never felt anything about it. On the following day, Anto caught his remaining hen and sold it in the market. He did not want to lose that one too. A week passed. Then there was news that the bird flu had broken out in the neighboring villages. So the government ordered that all hens should be killed and buried in deep pits. So the people who were employed by the government went from place to place, visiting all the poultry farms to kill all the hens. They came to Ansil's village too. Ansil wanted to hide them, but as they were too many in number, he was not able to do it. They came to Ansil's house and gave him a little compensation and killed all the hens he had. They dug a pit in the same place where he had buried the feathers of Anto's hen and buried all the hens there. Seeing this, Ansil cried bitterly and confessed to his wife what he had done to his neighbor's hen. Ansil's wife said, "All this disaster happened because of the wrong that you did. We had 500 hens and you robbed the hen of Anto, that poor man. How did you do that? What heart do you have?" He cried and said, "I'm sorry, I'm really sorry for my mistake. I will go to Anto and pay him for his hen and tell him all that I did and ask him to forgive me." Ansil went to Anto's house and confessed what he had done and gave him rupees 200 for the hen he had killed. Anto forgave him as he had realized the wrong he had done. From then on, he lived as a good man, not desiring the neighbor's goods. So, moral of the story is, do not desire your neighbor's good.